Subscribe to Oziva TV and hit the bell icon for more updates on fitness, nutrition, and wellness.
From being told, shh, don't talk about it too loudly, or double wrapping sanitary pads in black bags, there is a lot of hush hush around periods. A lot of people consider periods as dirty or impure or bad. But सच तो ये है that periods are so normal. In fact, having regular periods indicates that your reproductive system is working just fine. So because of this dirty perception, there is a lot of misinformation out there. So I, Dr. Aditi Tandon, fertility consultant and a gynecologist, am here to break those myths and to share some fun facts about periods that you may not have known about. First, let's talk about the cycle. It may not always be an exact 28 days. In fact, any days between 21 to 35 is considered normal. Also, periods के पहले 2 दिनों में pain होना is completely normal. It does not mean that something is wrong with you. In fact, it indicates that the cycle was ovulatory. यानी उस महीने में आपका egg या ovum release हुआ है. But if your cycle lasts for more than 35 days, if it gets delayed by more than 35 days, or if you have bleeding that lasts for more than 8 days, then you must visit your gynecologist to know the reason why. Also, cycle की बात कर रहे हैं, तो there is a myth that if multiple women or girls are staying together, their cycles will sync. This is not true और इसका कोई scientific evidence नहीं है. Cycles may overlap, but there is no magical syncing happening which will cause your periods to happen on the same dates between you and your roommate. Secondly, let's talk about exercise during periods. Many patients ask me if they can work out during their periods. The answer, yes, of course you can work out during your periods. You need not do high intensity workouts, but understanding your body's needs and tolerance is of key importance. In fact, when you work out, there are endorphins or happy hormones that are released which help in improving mood and also help in relieving the pain. So it may help in PMS and also for dysmenorrhea. Thirdly, let's talk about sex during your periods. A lot of people have this misconception that you can't have sex during your periods or that it is bad for you. But no, you can. In fact, sex will release endorphins that are happy hormones that help with mood and relieve pain. Talking about sex, there is another misconception that you cannot get pregnant if you have sex on your period. But this is not 100% true. In fact, if you're ovulating early, then there is a possibility of a pregnancy. So, if pregnancy is not a part of your plan, then it's best to use a contraceptive. Fourthly, I would like to say that PMS or premenstrual syndrome is completely normal. It is a condition where there are mood changes a few days before your period actually begins. So, feeling sad, angry, irritated, hungry, happy before your period is completely normal as long as it does not affect your daily functioning. If it does, then you may need to visit your gynecologist. And last but not the least, many people complain of bloating during their periods. This is because of the hormone progesterone, which causes water retention. This may also cause slowing of your gut. This is completely temporary and it will also not cause you to gain weight. So it is not something that you need to worry about. It's important to include high fiber diet, clean nutrition, and also probiotics to improve your gut health. So that's it for now. If you want a part 2, do let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your besties. You can also take a screenshot and share it on your Insta stories. Don't forget to tag Oziva Nutrition and me at @the_fertility doc. If you like this video and if you want more informative videos on PCOS, Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will see you all soon. Bye.